Hello and welcome to another episode of DIY Torque Lab. Let's talk about a sound no car enthusiast wants to hear: engine knocking. That unsettling pinging or rattling coming from under the hood? Well, that's your engine talking, and it's not saying anything good. Engine knocking happens when the air-fuel mixture in your engine cylinders doesn't ignite properly. Instead of a smooth, controlled burn, the fuel explodes in multiple places at once. This creates pressure waves that collide, causing that telltale knocking sound. Ignoring engine knock is like ignoring a flashing check engine light. It's only a matter of time before things get worse. Continued knocking can lead to serious engine damage, requiring expensive repairs or even engine replacement. So, let's dive into what causes this unwelcome noise. One of the most frequent culprits behind engine knock is bad fuel. Using low-octane gasoline when your car requires higher octane can disrupt the combustion process, leading to knocking. Think of it like feeding a high-performance engine a diet of fast food. It's just not going to perform its best. Another common cause is carbon buildup inside your engine. Over time, deposits from fuel and oil can accumulate on the cylinder walls and piston heads. These deposits can become extremely hot, igniting the air-fuel mixture prematurely and causing that dreaded knocking sound. Faulty spark plugs or incorrect ignition timing can also throw a wrench in your engine's rhythm. A weak spark or poorly timed ignition can lead to incomplete combustion, increasing the likelihood of knocking. It's like trying to start a campfire with a damp match. You're not going to get a clean burn. Before you start tearing your hair out, remember that not all engine noises are created equal. Sometimes a ticking sound might be mistaken for engine knock. A loose heat shield or a noisy belt tensioner can create similar sounds. If you suspect engine knock, the first step is to confirm that you're using the correct octane fuel for your vehicle. Check your owner's manual or the sticker inside your fuel door for the recommended octane rating. If you're already using the right fuel, consider using a fuel system cleaner to help remove carbon deposits. These additives can help improve combustion and reduce knocking. However, keep in mind that this is a temporary fix. While any car can experience engine knock, some models are more susceptible than others due to their design or typical usage. Compact cars, often pushed to their limits in stop-and-go traffic, can experience increased engine stress and heat, making them more prone to knocking. Pickup trucks, especially those used for towing heavy loads, also face higher engine loads. This can lead to increased combustion chamber temperatures, making them more vulnerable to knocking if not properly maintained. Regular maintenance is crucial for preventing engine knock in any vehicle. This includes using high-quality fuel, changing your oil regularly, and ensuring your spark plugs are in good condition. Think of it like taking your car to the gym and giving it a good workout. It needs to be in top shape to perform its best. Alright folks, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like, share with your friends, and subscribe to get notified of our next videos. See you on the next one.